Hey people, this movie called Bulbul was released yesterday, and it's a very, I mean, if you like the horror genre, this is the film you have to watch. I mean, Anushka Sharma, that is the Clean Slate Films, the producer behind Clean Slate Films, is coming to specialize in this subcategory of like horror. The genre is such, apparently during the making of this of the ghost stories, one of the directors had mentioned that horror is very difficult to shoot because you have to, get those settings right, otherwise it can almost turn comical. So but really, so keeping that in mind, Bulbul does scare you, like it's one of the a film that is on Netflix that if you like this genre, you should watch. So really, people, it's called Bulbul, and right from the child star to the stars of the film, it's Rahul Bose and all. They really, justify the eerie element in the movie. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.